Hey everybody, this is the Lady Amherst pen. Let's see how fast she eats out of my hand. Okay, pretty quick. Here comes the male. He's a little bit more reluctant. You can see he's finally getting his colors in. He's a little paranoid. But we only got a couple minutes, so I want to show you some things. Now we're going in to the yellow goldens. Coming down here. Show you how fast these guys eat. Wham! They're like, give me that boss. I like them sunflower seeds. There's the male. Doesn't have his colors yet, but he's getting colors in. Now I'm going to take you into the red golden. Oh boy. Let's see if I can make this quick. She is laying as we speak in the corner. This will be the second footage of the birds laying eggs. Let's see if I can get in there for a closer peek. Boom, right there. She just laid it. Joker get. She don't like you. Well, that's that. See if we can feed these guys out of my hand. All in 2 minutes. Yep, check. Now we're gonna go over to these peach goldens. See if they'll eat out of my hand. I doubt they will because they're a little skittish. We'll see. This will be the first time all on footage. Well, he can't win with them all, but he is starting to get his colors in and looking good. Till then, I gotta go collect eggs.